You can make another pile. You can have up to 4. There you go. You can't go.
I know it's dirty. It looks dirty, but it's actually not. Teleportation! Okay,
We are off. Where are we going, Sydney?
Dunkin' Donuts! And we're walking!
Sydney's on a quest to walk to Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get there with all these side quests. But we're going to walk to Dunkin'. Like I said, we are heading to Dunkin' Donuts. It's a beautiful day to do that. So nice out. Can you hear the birds chirping in the background? What a good day for it, huh? We did it. We see our destination. Not bad.
Hey, is that the bake we went in?
We made it. We made it. All right, what'd you get? Ooh, we have a strawberry frosted with sprinkles. Mom, I did get a donut. I got a maple frosted donut, and we are gonna watch the power company do some work here. You wanna put your backpack down? Use that just in case. Cheers, donut cheers. Cheers.
Yeah, what? You have 2 sprinkles on yours.
I do. That was such a great walk. Sydney's tired. But I also realized we, this summer, can walk. Subway's right next door to Dunkin's. So we can walk and have lunch there or bring it back and have just a wonderful, like, stretch your legs. At least I got some exercise moment. And then we were on the way home almost needing to just rest for a moment, and I was like, yeah, this is why I still bring a stroller for Disney. Speaking of Disney, I'm this close to booking our next trip. This close. Just trying to debate on which month between a couple.
Sit.
Okay. Your hat if you need it. You probably don't. Shade? Okay. So since she's a little bit tired, she wants to give her body a rest, so we're going to take this opportunity to do her math. We usually do math once a day, most days, for, I don't know, we usually do a few pages, maybe 2 pages, 3 pages, just depending on what we got going on. So she's just going to do a little math. Love the Spectrum books for keeping on par with what she's learning in 2nd grade. Have been running around running errands with Sydney today, and then filming other content that I needed to do for work, and just getting back. But we very quickly ran to the grocery store. Sorry about the lighting, and just ignore the mess. Really quickly went to the grocery store for a couple of things. I feel like we've been doing really well with not going to the grocery store every other day like I was in the habit of doing. So that always helps. Sydney's playing outside. I do have to finish filming for the brand for a little bit. But let's do a little groceries. We've been thoroughly enjoying the weather lately, playing outside. Sydney plays outside with friends for several hours a day. As long as the weather allows it, then we are all outside. So today was the first day that I like made her, or she had to come with me while I was working, but she was a champ. All right, real quick, I have a rotisserie chicken in here, seasoned rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna be making chicken tacos with tonight. That easy dinner, really easy. I have some herb seasoned turkey breast, American cheese, some produce like bananas. Cara oranges are our favorites right now. We're just on, I just like the Cara better than the other ones. That or blood oranges. A cucumber, a couple kiwi. We needed a backup milk. We're almost out of our other one. Corn, there's only 2 of us, so I just grabbed 2. Once it, you know, becomes more summertime, I will think of some recipes, so I will buy more of that because we love ourselves some corn on the cob. I needed sour cream for our tacos, running low on that. I'm craving Siggy's vanilla yogurt with granola in the morning. Maybe with some sliced bananas. Yes? Okay, honey, thank you for telling me. Mangoes were on sale, so I grabbed a couple mangoes. We've got clink bags. I actually just returned some bottles. I am thinking about our next Disney trip, and I like to know, if you've been following me for a while, I like to save my bottle money, and that is usually some of our spending money when we go to Disney, so I am going to be doing that. We have iceberg lettuce to put on our tacos. I like shredding it up and doing some iceberg lettuce, and then just some whole wheat bread. Sydney has been wanting toast with peanut butter in the mornings. I have not made sandwich bread just yet, homemade. So I'm gonna quickly put this away, finish filming for the brand, and then let Sydney run around and play outside. She will probably play with friends. Oh, we have our first dandelions out. I'm talking to the camera. The first dandelions of the season have sprouted, and this makes me so happy. It's a sign. We're done with the snow.
I'm gonna look at this.
Okay. Oh, Sydney is using her new gadgets. She got a bunch of outside stuff.
I have to, like.
It's okay.
Ah! Is that a fire ant?
No. Go ahead. She's got a little microscope.
This is their eye.
Are you going the wrong way? Oh yeah, don't put your eye on the light. Remember, it's not healthy for you. So now you know. It's not good for your eyes. Balance like you're on a bike. Jump, jump, jump. There you go. You want to try to do it on your own? I'll hold you still. Yeah, is that okay?
Look, how high is that? I go way higher than that.
I gotta fix that. This year we're trying strawberries again. I have them started outside as well, but they don't look like they have any signs of life. I have zucchini started in here. I just have these random plastic cups. Hopefully they work. Who knows? I'm just kind of winging it this year. Usually I have a whole system, But this year I just am using what I have. We've got basil that's going really well. That's gonna go in the front. That raised garden bed that I got years ago is going to be herbs. So we've got basil. I might do some rosemary I like to do, parsley. We shall see what I choose. But the basil's doing well, and I need to go ahead and trim that. For now, I'm getting excited for gardening season.